Fellowship greetings to all. Indian Scout and Guide Fellowship launches Indian SGF Live. The Indian Scout and Guide Fellowship has launched its brand new news channel, Indian SGF Live, dedicated to sharing stories, updates, and inspiring content. This month live covers state, national, and worldwide news from the national headquarters in Delhi. The 34th General Assembly and 18th National Gathering of the Indian Scouts and Guides Fellowship is just around the corner.
Mark your calendars from September 20th to 23rd, 2024, at the National Training Center of the Bharat Scouts and Guides in Pachmahi, Madhya Pradesh. This year's theme is 65 in Pachmari, a tribute to 65 years of impactful service. The event is hosted by the National Headquarters, Delhi.
The National Council of the Indian Scouts and Guides Fellowship recently convened an important meeting in Kokernag, Kashmir. Chaired by Justice Geeta Mittal and Justice Kalpesh Jhaveri, the meeting commenced with the integration and review of the National Council. Led by Mac Makki, Seema Rathi, and other senior leaders, a total of 32 members from various states were present during this session. The National Council engaged in 3 rounds of discussions, addressing various crucial agenda items aimed at advancing the interests of the Scouts and Guides Fellowship. Participants expressed their commitment to the organization's mission and service. The meeting emphasized the importance of impactful service, especially in light of the upcoming 65th anniversary of the Scouts and Guides Fellowship. 4th Indian Railway SGF Gathering celebrates camaraderie and shared values. The 4th Indian Railway Scout and Guide Fellowship Gathering concluded last June, bringing together 75 participants from 13 zonal railways and National Council members representing 5 states. The event was inaugurated by Justice Geeta Mittal, President International of Indian Scout and Guide Fellowship, and senior key leaders were present. The Indian Scouts and Guides Fellowship recently concluded its 6th online short film and documentary film festival, organized by the National Headquarters Media Team. Under the guidance of President Executive Mac Makki and Secretary General Seema Rathi. The festival was led by Dr. Deepak Patel and coordinated by Shafir Ali Padur. Over the course of 2 days, the festival screened different state and individual films based on the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Special guests from around the world facilitated the festival, including representatives from Australia, Malaysia, and Sri Lanka. The film titled Zero Hunger, produced by the Southern Railway SGF ICF District, received the Best Film Award and was announced as the winner of the festival. The second best film came from Assam State SGF and was a documentary themed around SDG 3, Good Health and Well-being. Dr. Vivekananda Pandey and Rahul Thakur anchored the festival on the first and second days, respectively. National Advisor Madhu Kalia concluded the festival with her remarks. The Special and General Assemblies of various state SGFs concluded with updated reports, accounts, and revival state council teams. Other units continue to serve society and the community as per the need of local areas. From April 2024 to the present, several new districts and guilds have been formed. These include Dakshina Kannada District SGF in Karnataka, Kornad Guild SGF, Spartans Guild SGF, Kottakkal Guild SGF, Kerala, ICF District SGF in Southern Railway, Women's Guild SGF in Telangana and State Council of Chhattisgarh SGF. The World Organization of the Scout Movement, WOSM, recently unveiled a refreshed brand, marking an exciting new era for Scouting. Around the world and over the years, Scouting has evolved and adapted with the times, reimagining and refreshing our image to remain as relevant today as we were more than a century ago. Today, World Scouting is taking another step forward in that journey with a newly refreshed brand that will help us usher in the next decade for Scouting. Our new tagline, Ready for Life, encapsulates Scouting's mission to contribute to the education of young people, enabling them to be global citizens who play a constructive role in society. The tagline is simple and connects seamlessly to the Scout motto, Be Prepared. Thank you for joining us for this month's Indian SGF Live. We appreciate your continued support and engagement. Stay tuned for more updates, events, and exciting news from the Indian SGF community. Until next time, take care and keep sharing.